Have a look at this YouTube channel, named Lifetime Winners. And the owner of this channel is earning about $100 a day, which you have to simply copy and paste. Like him, you can too earn a lot from YouTube. Because in these type of videos, no voiceover, no camera setup is required. You just have to follow this video till end. The videos we are going to create comes under motivational category, which most of the people loves to watch. There are many creators on YouTube who already produce content like this and earn a lot from them. Before I reveal the process, I want you to subscribe our channel for daily money making tutorials. Open YouTube and search for a channel named Build Empire. Open any random video and check the description. Now you will find some links. Click on them. Now from the variety of videos, choose your favorite and copy the link. Now open your browser and search for Y2Mate. This website allows the user to download any YouTube video. Now paste the link in the white box. And click on download. Choose the highest resolution for download. We got the video. Now we need a decent background music which can be monetized. So open your browser again. And open YouTube Audio Library. Choose the inspirational category of audios. Now download any random audio clips. And click on download.
Betrayed on the track.
We finally got the video and audio file. Now we need a free app called KineMaster. Download it from App Store or Play Store. Open it and follow my steps.
tell you too much.
Betrayed on the track.
After these simple editing steps, export the video file. Now create up to 15 videos. And after uploading, schedule them with continued daily uploads. Daily uploads allows you to grow faster on YouTube. And there is a bonus trick to earn from day one on YouTube. A website called ClickBank, which will monetize your views traffic, and can make you $500 a day, by simply sharing affiliate products in the description of your YouTube video. If you want the full process, please subscribe. I will soon upload a video on it. Now just follow the steps I shared. And start uploading now. Thanks for watching. I will meet to you in the next video.